Electrical work is important because it's never going to go away. It's not something that can ever be automated. There's always going to be someone who's going to have to come crawl in your attic. It's always going to be around.
My job is to problem solve. If a light's not working, I figure out what that issue is. If your AC is not working, I decide whether it's an electrical or an AC issue.
Some days I'm doing troubleshooting, going to a house, just fixing something that's not working quite right. Sometimes we go in installing new lights, beautifying the kitchen, living room, whatever else they need.
So it's all about the customer. We have to make sure that we explain what we're doing. We have to explain to them why we're doing it, what we're doing, and be forthcoming with them.
We're not going to tell them not to do something because it's hard to assemble. And a lot of customers appreciate that attention to detail and the attention to architecture.
I believe my job is very important, and I'm very proud to do my job when I can come up with a solution quickly in the time that a customer's dealt with someone else and it took much longer.
Letting them not feel like you just show up and you do your work and then get out and then give them a bill. Like talking to them, listening to any kind of plans they have in the future. If they want to add some lights to their kitchen or if they plan on installing like a hot tub, just communicating with them and letting them know that you want them to be, your customer for the foreseeable future.